When you go to a garage sale, you never know what you're gonna find. Last weekend, I stopped at one in my neighborhood and met this man. His name is Mike. He's holding an old bathtub faucet which he removed from his house when he bought it over 40 years ago. He wasn't even selling it, but it caught my eye in a box under a table, and he agreed to let it go for 10 bucks. I told him I was gonna make something cool out of it. Welcome to Alley Picked.
Ooh, 5 cents each. Junk. Junk. The airplane's upside down. Stratohoovius?
Time to take apart this old faucet in such a way as to be able to mount it on some old wood. My thought was to cut off the pipes, leaving about 3/4 of an inch of the threaded stem, which hopefully I can then thread into a hole which I'll cut into the mounting board. For the wood, I'm going to use this real barn wood that I bought at a garage sale earlier this summer. I drilled holes into the wood so that the threads on the faucet valves would thread into the wood. I'll use this weathered wood accelerator product by Varathane to try and darken the cut parts of the wood. I get mixed results using this stuff. Just in case there's any bugs burrowing into this old barn wood, I'm going to wash and treat it using some borax powder dissolved in warm water. I have no idea if it works, but that's what they say. And you know, they are always right. After a wash and rinse, I spray some more borax in water and then let it dry. To seal the old wood, I want to keep a more natural look, so my go-to is shellac. I don't want to get any loose wood debris and dust in my can of shellac, so I'm going to pour off a small amount of what I'll use into a separate container. Now some people might think this is junk.
What a piece of junk! blow that piece of junk out of the sky!
But I think it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching Allie Picked.